Bonjour! This week we're going to be talking about a healthy diet and talking about what foods we eat and why, what health benefits do they bring us, what nutritional value do they have. Okay, for task 1 you've got a little bit of vocabulary revision. These are all phrases that you've seen during our lessons on healthy eating and healthy lifestyle so far. So it's a simple match up. Okay, French on the left, English on the right. Just match the numbers and the letters. Fairly straightforward. Okay, now we're going to be focusing more specifically on food and food types. So you've got 4 categories at the top of the page. Les produits laitiers, which is dairy products. Les fruits et légumes, fruit and veg. Les viandes, meat. Les sucreries are like sweet things. And then you've got a whole list of foods, most of which I think you should know by now. So it's just a case of simply categorising them into the right column. Okay, just all in French. You can add the English to any ones that are new vocabulary for you. Okay, so task 3 is to build up your vocabulary so that you can talk about the properties of certain kinds of foods and why they might be good or not so good to eat. So you've got your French on the left, English on the right. This time I would really like you to write them out in your jotter so that you've got the vocabulary there, not simply just the numbers and letters. Okay, this time if you write out the words. Okay, so task 4 is to show you how you can use these little phrases and sentences to talk about what you eat and drink and why. Okay, so you've got Je bois du lait car c'est riche en calcium, alors c'est bon pour la santé. So that would mean I drink milk because it's rich in calcium, so it's good for my health. Okay, so it's putting together the vocabulary that you've seen on previous slides and previous lessons. Okay, so you've got 3 to put into English and then a couple to put into French. Okay, so try and follow the pattern of what you've seen up here to be able to work out what to put in there. Okay, and obviously some of the vocabs on the previous slide. Okay, task 5 is a simple reading about people talking about their eating habits. So you read both of the passages and then answer the questions that follow in English. Quite good for you to have a look at something like this because when you come to write your own little passage about your eating habits, this is the sort of thing that I would be looking for. Okay, and to finish off with today, it's a little match up just to see if you can do this without looking back at your notes. Can you match up the phrases with the pictures? Okay, and that's you for today. Au revoir.